you all enjoyed the small video snippet of the activities done throughout the year. It gives us an immense pleasure to welcome you all for the 12th annual day celebration of our Ilandalir Kids Zone Preschool. Myself, Shivaranjani and Croatia are your hosts for the day.
Good morning all. Shiva ma'am, I have a surprise for you. Do you know what?
Oh, what is it, ma'am?
We have some special people to share the stage with us for hosting the show. Put your hands together and welcome our special hosts for the day, Shrinika Bog and Kavin Raja.
Hi everybody.
Shrinika, do you know why we have gathered here today?
Yes ma'am, it is our annual day.
Kavin, do you know what we are going to do today?
Ma'am, we are going to dance, sing and say some speech too.
Yes, dear, that's correct.
We are very eager to watch you all flutter and enjoy with your performance. Shrinika Bog.
Now let's welcome our friends for welcome speech. Let's welcome Dhanusha, Hinika, Rajalajan, Mantra and Shafada for the welcome speech. Good morning, I am Dhanusha, a proud Ilandali student. Along with my friends, we are here to deliver the welcome speech. On behalf of all the students, we extend a warm welcome to our directors, admin, teachers, parents and grandparents. Today is very special day for all of us because we get to show you all the fun things we have been learning and doing in school. We have been practicing songs, dance, and even some funny skits for you all. Hi friends, we hope you enjoy the show and feel the energy and the enthusiasm we have put into every day. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Let us welcome Toshika and Siyasri.
பிறப்புக்கும் எல்லா உயிர்க்கும் பிறந்த பின்னர் யாவரும் ஊரே யாவரும் கேலி உழைத்து வாழ்ந்தோம்
Let us give them another round of applause.
It is a tradition in many cultures around the world to mark the beginning of an auspicious occasion by lighting the lamp, symbolizing the dispelling of darkness and the triumph of knowledge. On our directors and grandparents on stage to light the lamp.
Now, our little ones, Shivapriya and Sai Karthik, will join our directors on stage for prayer song and Tamil Thai Valthu. We request the audience to stand up for the prayer and Tamil Thai Valthu. Go.
Asatoma Sagamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Prejoma Amadam Gamaya Om Shanti 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 Meeranin Kalarulakanyamarailakelangulagum Seeralum Adanamenathigamaranda Kandavikel Tekkanamun Adisilamtaraviranakkenadum Takkasarethiramudalum Taitanum Tiramamuve Attilana Vasane Polalitulagum Yenvamura Yetishayum Pugalanakkai Tamilake Tamilanake Om Sirilamettirabiyanda Sayamalanda Vaatunuve Vaatunuve Vaatunuve. Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring speech. Ma'am, when will start our annual day?
Sorry dear, we are almost there. Like every year, this year also we have come up with a special theme for our annual day. Do you know what it is?
No, ma'am.
Okay, shall we play a guessing game?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay dear.
ma'am.
I'm going to give you some clues. So listen carefully and answer me, okay? Okay. I'm thinking of something special, alive, colorful, and it also smells very good. And you can find it in the garden. Do you know what it is?
Flowers.
Yes, dear. Flowers are also part of it. Then, what do you hear when you're playing in the garden?
Birds.
Yes, birds are also part of it. Lastly, what do you see at the night?
Moon. Rats. Mouses and sometimes some wolves too.
That they are also the part. Now, with all these clues, can you guess the theme?
Is it nature, ma'am?
Yes, dear, that's correct. You guessed it correctly.
Today, we embark on a journey that brings us back to our roots, reconnecting us with the pure and innocent joy that only nature can provide.
Children with their boundless curiosity and infectious enthusiasm are our greatest ambassadors to the natural world. From the moment they take their first steps, they are drawn to the wonders that surround them.
As we gather here today, let's celebrate the innate bond between children and nature, a bond that nurtures their imagination, fosters their sense of wonder, and shapes them into compassionate stewards of our planet.
So let us cherish the laughter of children echoing through the woods, the joy of discovery sparkling in their eyes, and the deep sense of belonging they feel in the embrace of Mother Nature. We once again welcome you all to our annual day, Thalirgalin Thiruvizha, a Sproutians Fair.
Now, without further ado, let's dive into the performance of our little ones.
A gentle reminder to the parents, the photos and videos will be shared by the school, and parents are requested not to meet the kids when they are on the stage. And parents of warm-up, playgroup and pre-KG can receive their children after the respective performances. LKG and UKG kids will be sent once all the performances are over. Last but not the least, we kindly request the parents to be seated and enjoy the show and encourage the kids by clapping your hands.
ஈரடியில் வள்ளுவன் சொன்னதை தங்கள் மழலை மொழியில் சொல்ல வருகிறார்கள் எம் இளந்தளிர்கள்.
We invite Hema Varshan, Janvi, Shivapriya and Lithan Sai to recite Tirukkural.
நன்றி மறப்பது நன்னன்று நன்றலது அன்று மறப்பது நன்று கற்பில் நீர்க்க அதற்கு தக எல்லாம் தமக்குடைய அம்புடைய எம்ப கூடிய பிறக்க உணவாக இன்னார கூறல் கனீர்ப்ப காய் கவர்ந்தது ஒழுக்கம் விழுப்பம் தளலாம் ஒழுக்கம் விழுனும் ஓமப்படும்.
Thank you, kids.
Today, we have a special treat in store for you all. A mesmerizing performance inspired by the timeless poetry of Mahakavi Subramanya Bharatiyar.
One of the Bharatiyar's most beloved songs, often cherished across generations, is the beautiful ode to childhood, innocence and the wonders of nature. In this enchanting melody, he paints a vivid picture of a child's joy as they immerse themselves in the simple pleasures of life. Let us welcome our UKG students to recite the Bharatiyar song.
குழந்தையை வையாடு
thrilling to hear you all sing today. And could see your dedication towards our motherland. Thank you, children.
They deserve a big round of applause, don't you think?
To recite Atichudi. Atichudi is a renowned collection of single-line quotation by Tamil poet Avayar. Each verse is packed with wisdom, morals and life lessons. எம் தமிழ் மொழியின் முதல் எழுத்துக்களை கற்க அவ்வை பாட்டி சொன்னதை அழகாய் சொல்ல வருகிறார்கள் எம் இளந்தளிர்கள்.
Let's hear Atichudi from playgroup and LKG.
We request the warm-up children to get ready and the parents to get ready for the next performance.
Atichudi. Atichudi.
அறம் செய்து
அறம் செய்ய விரும்பு.
அடுத்ததா
ஆர்வது சிரம். இயல்வது காவல். ஈவது விளக்கு. உடையது விளவே. ஊக்கவது கைவிடு. I am it one. ஒப்பனகு அழக. ஓடு அது ஒளிகே. ஆரிய பேசு. அக்கான் சுரிக்கையல்.
On stage and recited Atichudi. The clear and confident voices resonated with wisdom and maturity beyond their years. Let's applaud them for their remarkable poise. I will ask you that superhero.
Shrinika, have you seen any superhero movies? Can you name few?
Spider-Man, Batman, and Superman. What else, ma'am?
Instead of me telling you, here comes our warm-up children, our superheroes and little flowers.
Remember whether they are wearing a cape or not. Each one of us has the power to be a hero in our own special way. So let's spread kindness, courage and love wherever we go. Let's put our hands together for the warm-up kids and their parents.
ஒவ்வொருத்தரா நீங்களே எவ்வளோ அழகா பிரிட்டியா ட்ரெஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க. சூப்பர் ஹீரோஸா வேற வந்திருக்கீங்கல்ல. அப்படி அழகா ஒரு வாக் பண்ணி எல்லாருக்கும் ஒரு ஹாய் சொல்லலாமா? ஓகே, ஸோ சக்தியிலேருந்தே ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாம். சக்தி தேர் வாங்க, அப்படியே ஒரு வாக் வரலாம். வாங்க வாங்க, நீங்க கூட்டிட்டு வாங்கம்மா. ஹாய் சொல்லுங்க.
Isainia.
We request the parents to please be seated so that all others can see the program. Please.
Hi Selena. Hi Selena. Hi hi Selena. Hi. Come come. Adira.
upload in the YouTube also. You can watch it clearly. So please be in your seat, settle down, watch the show freely, relaxedly.
Thank you, parents. Let's give it up for the warm-up. Please encourage them.
இவ்ளோ அழகா எல்லாரும் dress போட்டு வந்திருக்காங்கல்ல, இவங்கெல்லாம் ரொம்ப ரீசெண்டா தான் வந்தாங்க. அதனால தான் இவங்களை வந்து அழகா இப்படி மேக்கப் பண்ணி வர சொல்லிட்டோம். அதுக்காக அவங்கள சும்மா விட முடியாதுல்ல. டிஜே ப்ளீஸ் ஒரு பாட்டு போடுங்களேன், ஏதாவது ஒரு சாங் போடுங்க. மதர்ஸ், நீங்க உங்களுக்கெல்லாம் தான் இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஸ்டேஜ் உங்களுக்கு கிடைக்காது. ப்ளீஸ், குழந்தைங்க ஆடுவாங்க, நீங்களும் ஆடுங்க. நீங்க ஆடினாதான் குழந்தைங்க ஆடுவாங்க.
குட்டி போனி டெய்லு கியூட்டா கையில் மாட்டிக்கிட்டா
நிலவோடு மார்னிங் வாக்கா கியா முய்யா டாக்கா சும்மா இங்கி பிங்கி பாக்கி போட்டு ஓடி போட்டா பேபி மம்மி நான்தானே பேபி டாடி நான்தானே எந்த உலகம் நீதானே
போல. ஃபாதர்ஸ் யாராவது ரெடியா இருக்கீங்களா டான்ஸ் பண்ண? எனி ஃபாதர்ஸ்? ஃபாதர் வாலண்டியர்ஸ் டான்ஸ்? சார் வாங்க சார், வாங்க சார். சீரியஸ்லி பாருங்க, நாங்க ஸ்டேஜ்லாம் போட்டு உங்களுக்காக வச்சிருக்கோம். உங்களுக்கு இந்த சான்ஸ் கிடைக்குமா திருப்பியும்? வாங்க வந்து ஒரு டான்ஸ் போடலாம்ல. இல்லைன்னா இந்த பிள்ளைங்களை கீழே அனுப்ப மாட்டேன்.
My dear, see my change da, மாறிவிட நம்ம range da.
குட்டி குட்டி தப்பு பண்ணி கத்துக்கலாம்.
Thank you parents, thank you kids.
Like a penguin.
Oh, penguin. Do you know who's going to perform next?
Yes, ma'am. It is our penguin.
Yes. Now let's watch our little ones waddle onto the stage dressed in their black and white just like real penguins. With their flippers ready and happy feet tapping, they're all set to dance to a lively tune. Let's welcome our playgroup kids with a round of applause.
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy lady. Oppan Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy lady.
Wasn't that absolutely adorable? It's time for our LKG and UKG children to show their reading skill.
Let us welcome Rajarajan, Shafana and Jaren on stage.
The cat Matty's fat cat Pat is a rat. Matt sat on the rat. I have a cat. I have soft fur. I have sharp teeth. I like to chase mice. I am a giraffe. I have a long neck. I have lot of spots. I eat leaves and don't drink much water.
Thank you, children.
As the seasons change, so does the world around us. From the gentle blossoms of spring to the warmth of summer, the vibrant hues of autumn and the serene beauty of winter, each season brings its own charm and magic. Now let's welcome our pre-KG kids for the performance.
வெயில் கொளுத்தது இல்ல இல்ல நாக்கு வறண்டு வரக்காஞ்சு கிடக்கு ஏதாச்சும் ஐஸ்கிரீம் வாங்கி கொடுப்பா வாங்கி கொடுப்பா
What a treat to our eyes. Let's give another round of applause for our pre-KG kids. Thank you, teachers in charge, Mrs. Kritika, Mrs. Chandra Devi and Mrs. Balaselvi.
Planet. My name is Venus. I am called Morning Star. I am second planet. I am third planet where you all live. I am Mars. I am fourth planet. My other name is Red Planet. My name is Jupiter. I am largest planet. I am fifth planet. I am Saturn. I am sixth planet. I have a ring. I am Uranus. I am a seventh planet from the solar system. I will spin alongside. I am Neptune. I am the 8th planet and I am the coldest planet. Eight planets around the sun. Let me call you one by one. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, all are closest to the sun. Jupiter is big in size. Saturn comet ring in size. Uranus and Neptune also fall but just in June.
That's fantastic. Our little ones are learning about our solar system at a very young age. Thank you, kids.
And celebrate the indomitable spirit of exploration that drives us to reach us the star. On this special occasion, our little ones from UKG are here to pay tribute to the remarkable achievements of humanity in our quest to explore cosmos.
have liftoff.
Altitude is being brought down from 800 meters and we are nearing and approaching the lunar surface.
We have achieved soft landing on the moon. India is on the moon.
That is right on top. Is right on. That is right on top. Is right on top. That crisp beat is right on top. Is right on top. That crisp beat is right on top. Is right on top.
Creative and dedicated teacher handling UKG kids. Suganya ma'am. Suganya. Turn this side. Go there. Thank you. Suganya Dev, KG teacher, encouraging and energetic teacher. Congratulations, Suganya. Next, Priyadarshini. Kalaivani. Congratulations, Kalaivani. Chandra Devi. Chandra ma'am. She is also joined recently. Shirin, resourceful teacher. Please encourage. Our admin, Nitya ma'am. Parents, please clap your hands. Next, our caretaker. Actually, Sarguna given the certificate. Ni paathukranga Padur branch. Padur security uncle.
ஆக்சுவலாக 4 ஆன்டிஸ் இருக்கணும். ஒருத்தவங்க நாங்கள் மிஸ் பண்ணுறோம். இன்னைக்கு அவங்க உடம்பு சரியில்லை, அவங்களால வர முடியாத சூழ்நிலை. பிரேம் ஆண்டி will miss you.
Let's go.
Thank you. Kalpana Rajesh, Mrs. Kalpana Rajesh. Yes, ma'am. Haratvi's mom. Please come on to the stage, please. Shivashankari Kadiravan. Yes. Kalpana Rajesh, ma'am. And Mrs. Shivashankari Kat. Parents, please put your hands together for them. Thank you, ma'am. Sorry, Mrs. Rajalakshmi, ma'am, for third prize. Storytelling. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
Let's go.
Contest. We have started a contest for the parents and grandparents, and that we have received 28 responses, 28 storytellers among you all. It's a very happy moment for us because as a teachers, we all always used to say so many stories for the kids. But the first teacher is at home. That is the mother. So every mother needs to tell stories. Stories make so much of changes among the kids. So we want to encourage all the parents and grandparents to say stories, lots and lots of stories. So here are, we had some examples. Kalpana and some, I forgot the name, but they received 3 members, and other 2, grandma and grandpa, they are in the Kelambakam branch. They will be coming in the afternoon session. So I want all the parents to give a big round of applause for the storytellers. Definitely we should call them storytellers. We have found out so many storytellers. Among those many storytellers, these are all the 3 examples. And you can see the stories, what they said in the YouTube channel shortly.
We request our security
uncle. ஸோ நம்மளோட இப்போ ரோடு ஒர்க் வேறு போயிட்டுருக்கு. எல்லா நேரத்துலேயும் மழை தண்ணி எதுனாலும் கேட்டில் இருப்பாங்க. கேட் அவுட்டு இங்கே என்ன இருக்குது அங்கே என்ன இருக்குது பார்த்துக்கிட்டே இருப்பாங்க. பயங்கர அலர்ட்டாக இருப்பாங்க. அண்ட் ரொம்ப சின்சியரான அங்கிள். தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் அங்கிள்.
Little ranchers are enjoying their life. Are you ready to witness their dance? Let's put our hands together for a little ranchers of LKG.
Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Get out and been Cotton Eye Joe. I've been married long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Cowboy Johnny swings his lasso in the air. Cowboy Johnny swings his lasso in the air. And then he stomps his feet on the ground. Cowboy Johnny swings his lasso in the air. Cowboy Johnny rides around on his horse. Cowboy Johnny rides around on his horse. And then he swings his lasso in the air. Cowboy Johnny rides around on his horse. Cowboy Johnny is the hero of our town. He's the best one we've ever had.
Friends, shall we go to the park? Hey, let's go. We are going to the park. We are going to the park. We are going to the park. Shall we cross the road now? It is too much of traffic. It's very difficult to cross the road. No one is following the traffic rules.
An old man comes to their rescue.
Kids, don't worry. I will help you cross the road. Thank you, uncle.
The old man helped the kids cross the road safely. The kids enter into Ilandalir Park.
And what shall we play now? Shall we play Linga Linga Loses? Yeah! It's so boring. Shall we play something else? Shall we play hide and seek? Yeah!
The kids try to hide, but
It's very stinky. The place is very dirty. Friends, see, I found something. What is this? There are lots of numbers on it.
the kids were very eager and they started pressing the numbers on it.
park is very clean. There is no tree here. Only the plant is here. I am so scared. I want to go home. Oh, what shall we do now? Something happened. After we touch the tab, let's go and check it.
They take the tab and start pushing the numbers again.
See here. We are back to the same place, but it is very dirty.
The kids were confused. Then there came the old man who helped them cross the road.
Ha ha ha. I know where you all went. Where did we go, uncle? You all traveled to the past. That place was very clean and beautiful. Here it is not. Because in those days, we did not use plastic. And we kept our place clean. Come children, let's clean this place. And I will show you the magic. What is the magic, uncle?
Instead of replying to the children, the old man took the tab and started pushing the numbers. The old man took the kids to the future.
Did you see how clean the place is? This is the magic.
வானம் மேகமூட்டத்துடன் காணப்படும். மேகங்க இருக்குது, மழை வர பாக்குது, வீசி அடிக்குது காற்று. இருக்குது, மழை வர பாக்குது, வீசி அடிக்குது காற்று. காற்று இளங்காற்று.
இன்றே நீ மண்ணுக்கு வந்த நாள் இந்த நிலவு
நம் பூமிக்கு வந்த நாள் சில் 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 மழையே எங்கே இருந்தாய் நீ எங்கிருந்து எங்கிருந்து இங்கே விழுந்தாய் இன்றே இன்றே நீ மண்ணுக்கு வந்த நாள் இந்த நிலவு நம் பூமிக்கு வந்த நாள்
பக்கம் பார்த்தா சோன்னு மலை, இந்த பக்கம் பார்த்தா சோன்னு மலை. சரி பின்னால திரும்பி பார்ப்போமேன்னு பார்த்தா அந்த பக்கமும் மலை.
As we draw the curtains on the spectacular Annual Day celebration, it is with the immense gratitude and joy that I extend my heartfelt thanks to everyone who has made this event a grand success. First and foremost, I would like to express our deepest appreciation to the visionary leaders and dedicated members of the school management. Your unwavering commitment to excellence and tireless efforts in providing a nurturing environment for our children have laid the foundation for the success of our kindergarten school. I would like to express our deepest appreciation and to our dedicated teachers and staff members. Your unwavering commitment, patience and passion for nurturing these young minds and driving forces behind the success of our school. Your tireless efforts in guiding and shaping our children's future do not go unnoticed, and we are truly grateful to all that you do. I extend my heartfelt thanks to our beloved children, the shining stars of our school. Your adorable performances and innocent smiles have lifted up the hearts and filled this auditorium with boundless joy. Each one of us is a true reflection of the magic childhood, and we are immensely proud of all that you have achieved. To our dear parents, thank you for entrusting us with the privilege of educating and caring for your precious little ones. Your unwavering support and encouragement have made the pillars of strength that have enabled us to create a warm and nurturing environment where every child can thrive. As a bit of farewell to this wonderful afternoon, let us carry a spirit of joy and unity that we have experienced here today into the days and week ahead. May the bonds of friendship and community that we have forged today continue to strengthen and grow, enriching the lives of all who are part of our Ilandalir family. Once again, thank you all for your support and participation, and we look forward to many more such joyous occasions in this future. Wishing you all a pleasant day ahead. Thank you, parents. Thank you.